IAS Officer Puja Khedkar hit the headlines over alleged misuse of power and claims that she made her UPSC candidature, which has landed her in more trouble with the central government launching a probe against her. We'll give you more details about the story, but before that, let's look at the other stories that are making the headlines today. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said on July 12 that June 25, the date on which former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi declared an emergency in 1975, would be marked as Samvidhaan Hatya Diwas. Home Minister Amit Shah said Prime Minister Narendra Modi's decision is aimed at respecting the spirit of millions who fought for the restoration of democracy. In Gujarat's Bharuch district, hundreds of job applicants showed up for walk-in interviews for just 10 positions. The incident took place in Bharuch, Ankleshwar, where over 1,800 job seekers lined up for an interview with private enterprise. The pushing and shoving among the aspirants waiting in the massive queue caused the railing on the ramp to collapse. The Supreme Court granted temporary bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Friday in connection with the Delhi excise policy case. During the hearing of Kejriwal's bail application, the SC also noted that the court cannot mandate an elected official to resign. The CM himself must take the decision. A SpiceJet employee was arrested after she slapped a Central Industrial Security Force during a security screening dispute at the Jaipur airport. The incident was filmed on the airport's CCTV camera. Anuradha Rani has been charged under sections of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and is currently under investigation. However, SpiceJet defended its employee, claiming she was subjected to sexual harassment. Now we will tell you the big story of the day, which is of IAS Puja Khedkar. IAS Puja Khedkar had courted controversy over using an unauthorized beacon on her private Audi and raised demands for the separate house and a car. These privileges are not available to junior officers. But the 2023 batch IAS officer now faces more serious charges that raise questions about her selection process in the civil services. Manoj Trivedi, Additional Secretary in the Department of Personnel and Training, has taken over the investigation on this matter. According to the reports, she may be dismissed if she is found guilty. She may also face criminal action if the allegations and misinterpretation are found to be true. When questioned by the media, she has remained silent on the charges against her, saying she was not authorized to speak about the matter. The action came after she was found using an unauthorized beacon and a Government of Maharashtra sticker on the private sedan. She was also found using Pune Additional Collector Ajay More's office while he was away. She reportedly removed officers' furniture and demanded letterheads and a VIP number plate. These facilities are not available for junior officers who are under probation for 24 months. Reports suggest that her father was a retired administrative officer and had even helped her for demands to be fulfilled. Questions have also arisen over her claim of other backward classes status. She had also claimed several disabilities to avail the favors in the UPSC selection process but refused to undergo mandatory medical tests to confirm those. This has not only highlighted the misuse of the power of an IAS officer but has also questioned the whole Union Public Service Commission system, which is known to be most respected and reputed system in India. For more such news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.